In this tutorial, we will learn how to create lists in Python using square brackets. Here we have created an empty list and printed it using the print statement. The output in the console will be an empty list. Let's create a list with some elements. We can do this by enclosing the elements in square brackets and separating them with commas. Here we have created a list with the elements 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We then printed the list using the print statement. The output in the console will be the list with the elements in it. We can also create a list of strings in the same way. Here we have created a list of strings with the elements apple, banana, and cherry. We then printed the list using the print statement. The output in the console will be the list with the strings in it. That's it for creating lists using square brackets in Python. Lists are a very useful data structure in Python and are used in many programs. Have fun experimenting with creating and manipulating lists in your own programs.